Those need to be taken off.
Yeah, so you can see the difference in the color of it right along here.
I'm not on that one. Yeah.
Yeah,
That
okay,
right there
all
where your
that,
thumb is.
all that around there where it
Has
looks
to come
rough
off.
has to come off. And that's what this compound does. That's why it has that grittiness in it. When you spin this, it's like a rough sandpaper solution, and it grinds the metal down, is what it does.
Okay.
And this also bonds to the metal. That's why the ring turns gray and you can't wipe it back off.
Okay, then do what you're supposed to do.
And this is the part I was telling you about. As far as the drill goes, how I've been doing it. See those rubber boot things, and then these here. These are supposed to hold on to them valves so you can spin them and get that out of it.
Right.
I would have to sit here and spin it all day long with this thing to get that work out of it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I will get rid of the rest of this and you can see how that works.
So you make your own YouTube video on how to do it the poor man's way.
Well,
And shorter time.
it's not exactly the poor man's way, but those suction cup sticks are useless. The wire brush things that I brought, this here, senseless waste of time. I mean, it helps to clean some to a degree,
Yeah.
but the Scotch-Brite and the sandpaper does all of it. And this here valve stuff. That's the three things you need to do the entire job. The Scotch-Brite is here.
Yeah.
Get advanced auto, and your 3 or 4 different stages of sandpaper until you get
Okay.
to the 1500 of sandpaper.
Do you have another one to do with the sandpaper to show how it's done?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do that.
Okay. Well, I was going to redo that one, but okay, I can do that. This one right here is the valve that goes here. No, actually it goes here. This the valve goes there.
Okay.
These other ones I've been working on already, which I got to redo. This is what they look like when you start with them. I take, this is what I've been doing. I got my brass wire brush. Get the loose stuff mostly off. That's gonna basically fall off with your fingers part of the time. This gets the excess out of the way, so your Scotch-Brite
Yeah.
stuff doesn't get full of gunk. Because you get oil and gunk on a lot of these. And mine's already getting pretty dirty. Still doing the job though. I guess you can clean them, these here, but I'm gonna clean this here and what's discolored. This one part up here, just as long as it stays smooth and the oil works real good. You ain't got to spin a whole lot of nothing on these, on this top part. Because all you want to do is just have it clean. And when you put more oil on it, slide through that